Good morning. Happy Tuesday, everybody, and welcome to the Breakfast Club. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining us. We are excited. All of our Breakfast Club members are entering the studio, and we are excited to call some trades for you. We've been away from our live for just a little bit, but we are back, and so we are so grateful for you all, and thanks for tuning in this morning. We're going to go ahead and get started looking at our charts. Now, one thing I want to remind you all that it's really, I can't stress it enough, important to be is disciplined. I had this quote that I wanted to share with you guys on my screen, but I can't find it right now. I'll find it in a minute. And I want to talk this morning about being disciplined. Yeah. Now, those of you who are new, we trade the opening bell, and the bell is getting ready to ring in about 30 minutes. So get ready for that. If you've never traded like indices, gold, metal, things like that, then I highly recommend you trade in your demo account. All right. Now, I see my brothers in the studio, so let's go ahead and welcome them and greet them and get them in here. Good morning. It's the fabulous Master and my Dr. Booby Polite. I love you.
Back in the hood.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you?
Dr. L.A.
Hey! So goofy.
Blessed and
highly
favored. I see that. That's a
How are you guys? These two gentlemen, they prayed for me. I was very ill, and they prayed and they prayed and they prayed, and I feel better. That Pip Master, love him to death. He prayed and sang songs, and I just played them all day long. And guess what? I'm back. And I'm intact.
Listen, let me tell y'all something. Dr. Booby, what's up, brother? I ain't gonna be calling you that though, man. It sounds too much like wrong.
Oh, shut up.
I'm gonna call you that dude. What's up, that dude?
I'm doing all right, my brother. I'm happy
to
be
here. See you, Ronald.
Jet lag is real. Just want to let you know.
Oh, I know it is, bro. You know I've been there, done that too many times to name.
But you're well. And Dr. Booby Polite is over. Are you in Abu Dhabi right now, right?
Abu Dhabi with my watch on.
Exactly. And it is, what is it, 7 p.m. or 5 p.m.?
5:03 p.m.
Yes, I have 100 messages from Abu Dhabi.
let me say real quick how much of a pleasure it is to be back on with my girl, Dr. L.A. Payne. It's so good to see you. You don't even you have no
thank
clue.
You guys.
I done missed you, girl.
Shut up. It is good to be back, guys. I'm just going to say this, that COVID is very real. And whatever you can do to protect yourself, and it is absolutely a matter of life and death. And I swear to you, it's not worth it, okay? So whatever you need to do it, is what I'm going to
say. Vaccinate.
Hey, do what you need to do. I would say that it's not cool. It's not cool at all. My lungs are still recovering. And it's going to take a while. Yeah. And I've lost a month of my life. I don't even know what I was doing this time.
Has it been a month?
Almost a month. I have one more week of recovery.
I went to the U.S. Yep.
Yeah. But God is
good. It's getting worse out there now too.
It is, and there's so many strands, guys. They don't even know. No. Like the public doesn't even know. And the strand that I had, it causes the virus. It's the worst kind.
Wow.
And I wouldn't wish it on anybody. And the doctor not gonna tell you nothing, that they can't do nothing. So the chance of you dying is highly likely. Yeah. And so we always say risk to reward, and I think that's my greatest takeaway. I know people have a lot of reasons why they vaccine or not, and I would never tell nobody what to do with their body. But what I will tell you is that the risk to reward is very important. If something is going to keep you breathing, you might want to try that, because if you stop breathing, and you will stop breathing, if you're not vaccinated, it's nothing they can do. Nothing. So you are, in God's hands. And a lot of us got a lot of faith, but we will all expire. So
The worst thing
Well, I
they
was on a
have
call.
is
I was on a call last night on Clubhouse.
Uh-huh.
And I was on with nothing but doctors and nurses and people who deal with that industry.
Yeah.
Man, it was some heated conversations about this stuff, but
It
I
is.
got
It's
some good
very
information.
heated. People are are so emotional about it, and I get it, But you can't tell nobody what to do with their body. That's my thing. And
Right.
if you decide, look, I don't want to do it. Look, I respect people, their values, and how they feel, but you absolutely have to be okay with dying. Is the truth, and I think
Yeah.
that's what needs to be said. It's a lot of stress. It's a lot of strain. My family has been traumatized tremendously. Risk to reward, risk to reward. Yeah.
Wow.
the
Good
worst
morning,
thing
Kimmy.
is.
Kimmy sent me hearts every day.
Go.
Hey,
Kim.
Mhm.
Kimmy.
Good
Go.
morning.
Hey,
So
go.
glad to see you.
And Kimmy had a birthday. Glad to see you
Yeah.
guys, man. To be real honest with you, I didn't think I would. Okay. So it's real. It's real. It's real. It's real. But we're not gonna focus on that. We're gonna catch these pips. Do y'all see what gold is doing? I told you when she went past 1806 to the moon, Alice, to the moon.
1809 right now.
That's what I'm saying. Baby is not playing. And then, do you see she's moving in opposite of the US dollar?
She's going back and forth though she's playing with opposite. So check this out. You know I've
Mm.
been on it. Her and US 30 was going the same way, and then they finally split off.
Mm.
Yeah, they split
Well,
off.
yeah, because I've been seeing them going. You know what? I didn't pay attention to US 30. What I was paying attention to was the US dollar.
Yeah, yeah,
So
which
I've
is
been watching just the straight dollar and gold. And you see how I love FinViz, guys. And FinViz, if you pay attention, will actually tell you where it is actually going. Booby, do we got the news? I see you stepped away for a second. Let's go. DIY Investment Diva. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How y'all doing out there in Facebook land? We so disrespectful. Did you guys
Good
get a chance
morning,
to type
y'all.
good morning?
Good
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good
That's
morning,
me.
Marcus Jones. I've been seeing your post. Good morning. All right, let's hit us. Let's start with Booby with the news. Booby, hit us with the news, and then guys, we will show you our charts. We're going to trade gold, US 30, and NAS 100. I'm missing the Hood Unicorn. Where is she?
What's she doing?
It's Tuesday.
It
She's
is
probably on the radio.
Tuesday. You somebody better let these folks know I'm back and in tag.
And you're
All right,
attacked.
Booby,
That's
what you
right.
got? Hit us.
All right, all right.
She said she went in the
Happy
Zoom
Tuesday.
too.
Happy Tuesday. We have Tokyo. We had a sell, a little short, went about 4 points. London first bell, we had a little jump up, about 25 points. And then London second bell, we had a downtrend about 15. So the market hasn't moved a whole lot today. Sydney was
Mm-hmm.
totally dead. All indexes are up, commodities up. Although the past hour they've been slightly slightly moving down. The dollar was strong, and analysts are calling for maybe a slight correction. I guess that's
Mm-hmm.
why you've been doing very well with the gold and you're following the dollar, which is great. Um, Today, there are no red folders, but there is a home sales report released 30 minutes after the bell rings. They're expecting or anticipating that the home sales report will be even a little stronger today. Also, it still will be high today, so that should help the economy. A lot going on, as you know, with COVID, the White House. A lot going on with the infrastructure bill. Dump a whole lot of money into the economy, but to our debt also. So that's all we have. Thursday and Friday, huge days, huge days. Be clear for Thursday and Friday. Fed chair, the Jackson Hole Summit is a huge summit, world summit for finance. So it's closed to the press, but they do have press leaks. So things will drop without us even knowing. So just let's anticipate. That's it for Dr. Booby News. Have a great trading Tuesday. Let's get that money.
Okay, cool beans. So you said they have started to descend. So I'm kind of looking at that. I've been paying a lot of attention, guys. I don't know if you've been noticed, if you guys have been paying attention to FinViz. I really like FinViz. You know, they were really bright green, and then you see now they're getting a little dark. So that shows me the drop. The same thing on gold. But I think that do you have any projections for them? Did you see any projections in your news reports today for them? Did they say they're going to continue to drop or move up? You may have already said that.
Drop, because they said the news over the weekend. They had some weekend news that helped strengthen the economy, but they're expecting a correction because they both were right at all-time highs. I mean,
Yeah, they were at ridiculous highs. I think they have a lot higher. They're going to go this year. I don't know. You know, I really like the last quarter of the year because I do feel like you do see some fun movement. So I'm interested to see how that will do. All right, cool beans. Well, thank you so much for sharing the news with us. All right, Neezy, what you got on US 30?
Oh, US 30. US 30 is back to normal, ladies and gentlemen. What do I mean? Check last year's chart. Last year we were hitting.
I love this guy. I love this guy because he will always take you down memory lane, which is really important because if you know what it did before, you can pretty much predict what's about to happen now. Go ahead.
Yeah, so what I noticed was, and I was so excited, guys. I'm still excited because when I noticed that the channel was working again the way that it did last year, I went back to last year to see. I remember when we were calling trades, and my cousin Michelle was like, "How did you capitalize off a 2 cent trade and you wrote it all the way to the top and bottom?" I said, "Because it's moving. That's the way it's moving right now. It's moving within the channel." Well, guess what? It's back in the channel. Okay, that's how we're able to make these huge moves. So anybody that's in that swing traders group, hey, y'all been rolling with the daggone Neezy, because I'm telling you the truth. It's been 400 and 500 pip moves, guys. That's how it's moving now. It's back to normal. So you can literally make sure that your chart is marked up with support and resistance. And I'm gonna tell you another secret. That's almost on everything now. Almost on everything. Look at gold. Look at gold and silver are moving consistently. They're going support, resistance, support, resistance. Nobody's really saying, I'm out of here, right? Because they did that yesterday with the industry, right? What was my high prediction for NAS? I didn't even know it hit. Isaiah hit me and said, brother, your high for NAS hit yesterday. I was like, okay, I'm good with it, but I ain't trading NAS. Okay. But US 30 is going to continue to range, guys. So this is the beautiful thing this morning. It's going to stay within certain limits, and then she's going to go ahead and hit the top of the channel to set her latest high. That's my US 30 move.
All right, well let's get ready for the high because we know whenever US 30 hit us with that high, that she's definitely good for 250 pips straight to the moon, Alice. All right, so that will be a great time. And guys, I just feel like the market has been very consistent to me. I don't feel like it's been choppy. I mean, I feel like NAS was doing her buy thing. She did turn around and pull down on that sell, but then she did turn around and push right on back on up to where she's supposed to be. Glory. All right. Yeah. So, and the same thing with gold and silver. I think they've been given a smooth ride, smooth momentum. So we could possibly look to have a great end of the year. All right. What you been looking at, Kimmy?
I've been on gold. I've been on XRP. Moved real nice this weekend. If
Bitcoin, baby. How you feeling about that? All of y'all that's been crying when Bitcoin dipped, you need to go slap yourself in the mirror. And I do mean violently, because we have been through this over and over and over and over.
By the dip.
And over again. That thing pays. How about that? Don't lose what you can't afford to lose. But at the end of the day, hold on for dear life. Run the play. Go ahead, Kimmy.
So last week gold didn't do too much, but this week, yeah, like you said, she's moving and grooving, up, down, up, down. I got her looking like on the 4-hour chart, she's about to come down.
Yeah, she is looking kind of tasty there. Let's look at her on the 4-hour chart.
Nice little St. Louis arch.
You know, I like to look at her on the 4-hour chart for the overall. You know what I mean? But gold really moves according to that 1-hour chart consistently. And on the 4-hour chart, you see how she's up here. She's hitting that high. Let's go ahead and block her off here. Yeah. Hit that thing, baby, and go on and come on down, Doodoo Brown. But we're gonna watch gold in comparison with the U.S. dollar on the 1 hour chart. You see how she's all pushed up on my black line? Boo boo got to go up a little bit more.
Yeah. Now,
She's
At
got
least
some room. Go
the
ahead.
1810.
yeah, that brick
At least the
wall,
1810.
that brick wall is at 1809.25. I've marked
Mm-hmm.
that already, but her comfort zone to hit before she comes down, I got her at 1812. Kim, what are you looking at?
Yeah, I say 1810. I got my golden ratio right here, and she's right there in it.
Okay.
Let me
So I
see where I got
say,
her coming. Yep, 1810.533.
Do me a
Yeah,
favor.
that's a new thing. Now that's our next buy zone though, guys. If she's pushing past here, we buy in around 1811.5. What you was about to say, Pip Master?
Do me a favor. You on the 4 hour chart?
No, I'm on the 1 hour.
Go to the 4 hour.
Yeah.
Make it, minimize it, and go left. Minimize it.
Minimize it.
Yeah, right there. Bam.
the
Do you see her
1965.
comfort zone at 1812? Her consolidation zone
Yeah,
is at
right in
1812.
here.
Right? That's her consolidation zone. That's what I'm talking about. She has a top consolidation zone and is riding the middle of 1812. Her top of that zone is 1814, but her median is at 1812. Even where her wicks are hitting to
Mm-hmm.
the left of that high arch is at
Mm-hmm.
1812. That's why I have it marked at 1812.
We're not against you, my brother. We're not against
No,
you. We'll
no,
take we'll take the money.
no. I'm giving you guys. I'm showing you why I marked it at
No, no, no,
1812
no, no. We
and where I
understand.
got it from, so you guys can make sure that you adjust also and put your mark at 1812. Put your mark
Mm-hmm.
there
Well,
because
you see
that
this whole little zone here with the levels, right? Like it's like
yeah.
price is trapped in here. And what this is showing me is what we're seeing right now, right? She played between 1800 and 1805 for the last almost 42 hours, right?
Mhm.
She's playing between 1800 and 1805, but we know that she either has to push up or push down. So this is just saying she's broke past 1806 to me, and so now she's going to play in that zone. So
Mm.
definitely hitting that 1812 like she did right in here and bouncing up and bouncing down, going back and forth, because it's clearly painted on here with the levels, right? That this is her zone, as we would say. Yeah.
Right.
Mhm.
I
But I
like
will
her.
say, I'm expecting a sale. I'm expecting a sale at least down to 1794. So we'll
Yeah, I'm not
we're
about
gonna.
to get excited about gold selling no time soon. And you know what I think of gold is so cute. And not saying that she's not gonna sell, but what I think is funny is how like
Mm.
gold just like um make my brain work. Gold just does like a drop down, a push up, right? And it happens quickly. And then it kind of, bounces up and down on the stairs. Let's check in with Sunshine and see what she got on NAS. Good morning, good morning, good morning, Sunshine. Happy Tuesday, boo.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you guys doing out there today?
What they
We're
do.
wonderful. We're wonderful. Getting ready for
Well,
the bell. We got a little bit of time.
Yes, yes. So I'm sitting here looking at Nas and I'm looking at her on the higher time frames, and Nas just went up 300 and something points. She
I told y'all, what I told y'all, buy that food only. Do you
I
hear me?
mean, she just went up beautifully, very beautifully. But on the 4 hour chart, she is giving us a doji right now. I would watch her. That might be a fake out.
Mm.
I was just looking at it last night on our call last night, and I was like, yeah, she did hit Yarnell's high sometime yesterday. So yeah, shout out to Yarnell. You know that was on my chart. Um
Yeah, yours and Isaiah's.
Yeah.
yeah, yeah,
Hmm.
but she is not exhausted in her RSI. So, let's just watch her. Don't get caught on this fake out thinking that she's about to sell.
That
Y'all
Uh,
know
part.
I do not sell
That
nails
part.
ever. You can
I
fall from the.
I wouldn't take any hard sales on her because she definitely can, like just trip but then get back up again.
Hmm.
But just pay attention to her on the higher time frames because at some point in time she is going to get exhausted and she is going to have to come down somewhere. So just watch your 50s to see where she might come and bounce before she goes back up, cuz she's not gonna she's she's beautiful, but good god.
Let me give you my final number on that, Sunshine.
All right, you
Okay.
got a new number for Naz, eh?
Where I'm putting it at.
15516.
15516. Y'all better write that down. 15516. And I love when he gives his highs, and then people come back and they like, hey, Chef hit, it hit. And it happens all the time. His accuracy is impeccable. So is
And
Sunshine's
I'm
unmatched. It's a
working
beautiful
on that.
thing.
I'm working on Yarnell. I've been watching some videos.
So
I'm
you
trying
got
to get
you got my answer?
no, not yet.
Come on.
I'm working on it. I'm
I'm
working
gonna
on it.
whoop your tail. You better come up with my answers.
Oh
I'm,
wow,
I'm
no violence
I'm
necessary.
gonna whoop your tail, Dr. LA.
speechless violence. I love it.
I
You know
gave
what?
her a
Pit
sign.
Master, did you get your new cup a month ago?
Boom! What? What? Hold on. What?
I
That is right there.
Got them on cups. Look at them.
Baby, when I say they got their own cups, they got their own.
You're so goofy. All right, very good. You know what? You guys make me so proud. Those of you who are really trying to be like consistent with this, like there's no other way. Either you do this or you don't do it, right? You got to do it and do it for real. I love to see the growth. I love to see everybody learning. If you're not where you want to be, that's just like life with anything else. You got to be consistent. Our fitness coach this week, yep, we got a fitness coach. She sent this morning. You will never always be motivated. You have to learn to be disciplined. And with trading, you have to one, make a commitment. Oh, I'm gonna draw an income out of here. I'm gonna build an income. I'm gonna get my streams. You have to make that commitment and you have to be disciplined. And you will never always be motivated at anything in life, right? We've been living long enough to know that. So to this morning, as we go through these charts, I just really encourage you to be disciplined, to really make a commitment to learning this skill. Like you hear Sunshine talking, like she didn't start off talking like that. Kim didn't start off talking like that, looking at them charts, knowing this stuff. They didn't. And now look how they're growing. So just imagine where they'll be this time next year and the year after. It's so beautiful to me, okay? Because I see the growth and I love the fact that I can say this is what I need and I can go into this market and get it. And that didn't come easy, but it came from discipline. Okay. It didn't come from intelligence. It came from discipline, win, lose, win. I love that. I love that. So don't let nothing keep you from winning. Don't let nothing keep you from getting this bag. All right, it is bag time. All right, we got 6 minutes. The bell is getting ready to ring. All right. Again, we're going to be calling gold, US 30, NAS 100. So we are ready to get this bag. What are y'all in right now? Anybody in any trades?
I'm in gold and US 30. That's it.
Okay. Where is my phone? I can just steady talking to y'all. I need to check on my own trade, don't I? Gold is going back and forth, ain't it?
Yeah,
all right, now we know when that bell rings, guys. When the bell rings, we're going to get significant movement. All right. Now, Pip Master has already given you a high. I'm assuming that Brother Isaiah does not know how to get on to StreamYard this morning. Goodness gracious, Holy Spirit!
It's been a month. He's still
exactly.
On Brother Isaiah's strength, his high range, I still have it marked. It's about to hit. All right. His high range is at 23.92 for silver. That's where it's headed right now. 23.92. That's Isaiah's high range. And then he has a higher range at 24.37.
Right.
So well, that's where it's looking. And then his low range is 23.21. Okay,
23.21.
Yep, I got all of you guys stuff. When you guys holler something now, I got Kim's gold marked on my chart. I got.
Is it next to Walmart?
Boom! Let's go to Walmart. Hold on, where we at?
I ain't been to Walmart in a little bit. Now, Kim, you see how gold has been ready to make this M though, baby.
Let's see where my
Walmart on the 1 minute. And so it's got to come down at least 1807, and then it's going back up.
Yeah, she's in 1807 right now, playing on that 50. But guys, I was saying before, I really like Sunshine's strategy.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm like, what happened? I really like the strategy with the 50. You know, so before I started cackling, you know, I was practicing putting all the 50s on the chart. So I'm going to start that this week. Because I was watching Kim Torres. I'm 100% confident that those are the 50s marked on her chart.
Mm.
Dr. Lay, I got a news flash for you.
Oh, go ahead.
On your Walmart thing, right?
Yeah.
I jumped in at Walmart.
You went to Walmart again, eh?
When it went to Walmart, I was on
Guys,
the
those of you in Facebook land, we keep forgetting we're out there. He marks Walmart on his charts because he's telling you your routes, where you've been, where you going.
Well, I started at Walmart this time. I left home and I started at Walmart at 34,753.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm still in it.
He's still in it.
Yeah, it's at 35,411 right now. You betcha.
Yes.
Right.
I love that US 30. Guys, have you noticed we haven't
This
said
is the
anything bad
game
about US 30?
3 fingers.
This
You like
is
that?
the new game sign because I see it. I put my fingers up there. I see it.
Is this a long-term trade?
You've been gone for a little bit. I gave them 3 fingers. Right?
What does that mean?
The 50, the 200, and the 800, right? It makes
the 50, the 200, and the 800?
Yes, when it makes 3 fingers, currency likes to come back through and go and smack the 3 fingers. Right? So it's
like the alligator?
No, it's your 50, your 200, and your 800 EMA.
You're gonna have to show me better than you can tell.
It's simple. It's DeLorean. It's DeLorean on TradingView. That's all it is.
You talking about a car?
No.
No.
No. It's DeLorean. Look at it. Look at the last video I posted on Thursday and Friday.
Not Back to the Future. Marty.
We will do that. But let's just share your screen after the bell and then just show us what it looks like.
All right.
Because I'm showing people in Facebook world. Do y'all know what he's talking about? He said the 50, 200, and did you say the 800?
Yes, my dear.
Yeah, that's my first time even hearing of an 800.
Really?
He be coming up with, man.
All right, Dr. Booby said we got 2 minutes before the bell. All right, y'all, let's get ready. Get your eyes on US 30.
Right, can't watch.
Pip Master is watching 30, guys. We're going to tell you when it's time to get in. Something we do is called 10 pips and dip. We just take 10 points, we get in and we get out. All right, I'm going to keep my eyes on this gold here. The thing I like about gold is you can make a lot of money on 1 point. All right, as long as you know what you're doing. You got your lot size right. All right, but if you have a smaller account and you need to grow your account, but Forex sometimes you gotta have some extreme patience. You can do it with gold and silver. Just don't get whacked. You get whacked by the lot size because it'll let you take a high lot size, but then if it does something crazy, well, it's all bad now, isn't it? All right, Sunshine, you got eyes on NAS 100.
Yeah, and I'm wondering where am I supposed to put what I'm supposed to put.
We're gonna verbally say it right now, okay?
Gold dropping.
Okay.
It's dropping. It's coming down to 107.
3 fingers.
I'm saying, say it out loud.
Well, I see a nice little zone on NAS that I'm trying to confirm right now, but it is in a buy area. You can 350 to 360.
This man, he talking about Isaiah said I'm trying to log in. It's a direct link, my brother. Goodness gracious. All right, what was the number on what was the zone on NAS?
15,350 to 15,360.
15,350 to 15,360. We are doing an analysis. Gold is coming down, doo-doo bram. All right, I want her to come down, hit it, and turn around and go back up, baby.
Wow.
All right, let me watch that. Let's go. The bell has rang. Where are we on US 30? Let me check in with DIY Investment Diva. Let's see what she's trading. Good morning.
Good morning. I was hopping on in 30 on a sale.
Where are you? Where are you? What is that background that you have? I don't know what this is.
I'm in my living room at home. My mother is here. She's in my office.
Oh, that's the fireplace behind you.
Yes.
Look, why did I thought that was like a doctor's office with medical records. Can't y'all tell I've been in the hospital too long? Look at that. Why is it medical records in the background?
Oh man.
I don't have the screen enlarged.
Yes, no.
All right,
no,
now what am I adding here? All right, let's go, Pip Master.
Uh,
What am I adding? I'm adding a 50. A what did you guys say?
50, 200, 800.
No.
200, 800.
It's one indicator. It's one
Yes,
indicator.
it's
It's
DeLorean.
the DeLorean EMA.
That's all you need.
DeLorean
Yes.
EMA. They got a whole bunch. Which one you want me to pick?
You just want the first DeLorean EMA.
All right.
It comes with everything.
Oh God! Now you know that hurt my eyes. Y'all know I can't. Oh Jesus! That looked like the alligator to me, yo.
Not
Oh,
though.
it's making 3 fingers now, right? Is that the 3 fingers?
On gold?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what does that mean? Okay, Chef is gonna explain this to it. Oh, they can't even see. I gotta let them see. Wait a minute.
I'm taking AUDJPY
So there we go.
as a buy right now to 79.509.
Good
All
one.
right.
79.509.
Sunshine is doing her study on AUDJPY right now for the buy. Now, oh goodness gracious, look at gold run down, baby.
Coming down.
Come on. I'm on. We rolling. Listen, I'm telling you, 3 fingers, baby.
103.
Okay, so the
103,
3. Okay, explain to me the 3 fingers.
Hold on, Lord. Let me
You
move
can't
my.
let me get too excited. That hurt. Give me one second.
Hold on. Let me move my.
Okay, go ahead. Give me 1 second.
I'm moving my take profit real quick and my stop loss and profit. And then I'll let you know all about it. 3 fingers, though. Where we at?
I'm taking gold down to 1803.42 from where it is now.
Good one, Cam.
Good one.
I'm with you already.
I'm watching Nash just skip my TP.
Come on, US 30.
All right. So NAS, we got a zone on NAS, AUDJPY. We're selling gold. We're in gold for the sale. Kim, where you going? You going down to the last finger?
The last finger, 1803.42.
How long have you guys been playing with these fingers, Pip Master?
I think I gave this to them 2 weeks ago.
I haven't seen any chitter chatter about this in the chat. You guys know one eye open, one eye closed.
And what is this again?
I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show you.
Oh, these people gonna be mad, guys. It looks like we're buying on US 30. Now look, we don't have to. You dropped it in the wrong place. I'm moving it. It's okay. Now y'all grown. Okay, we don't have time to play with people. You do what you do.
Go hit, baby. Go hit.
It's
go hit. Gold is pushing. She's pushing all the way down. Go ahead, Gold.
Dr. LA, let me explain the 3 fingers right now.
Okay, go ahead. Explain it.
All right, right here. The first EMA is the 50 at the top. The middle one is the 200. The bottom one, the blue, is the 800. When you see them spread and they form 3 fingers like this.
Yeah.
What's up, y'all? Triplets. When they do that,
yeah.
Currency has to come back and go through the 3 fingers. Go through them. Right? Then they'll flip. Okay? That lets you know it's going to buy back up when they flip. When they take and change positions and the blue starts to ride up, the 50 starts to come down, and the 200 kind of rides in the middle, they're going to change places. Let me show you. Tell you where to go. I wanted you to see the trade.
Look at this. This is dropping. Y'all see this dropping hot? Dropping like it's hot. Ooh, and then you can look at it on a different time frame. Let me remove my 50 so they can see. All right, Facebook world, y'all got questions? Are y'all understanding these 3 fingers? Y'all got to talk to us so that we know.
Where did you go to get them?
On Trading View, indicator is DeLorean.
But thanks to also, Chef, I got my auto fib extension on there, and now gold is coming down to 1801.18.
Kim, we gonna have to look. I'm gone, and then you guys come back geniuses. This is just. This got me so right. Happy. This makes me happy. I want to be a genius too. Right. It looked like he's getting a whole bunch of people right, and that's what he's supposed to do.
Listen,
Very good.
Nas, watch Nas. Nas has 3 fingers. Watch Nas.
3 fingers on what time frame are you looking at?
1 hour.
Oh, so that means you can ride it a little bit longer, right?
Yep.
I want to see that.
Nas
Okay,
is making confusion on the 1 minute, but on the 1 hour, she's clear.
All right, let's talk about this on the
Oh yeah, Nas making 3 fingers on the 15-minute chart.
Okay, let's go back to gold on the 5 minute.
Okay. And when you get a chance, look at Nas on the 15-minute chart so you can see the 3 fingers, how they form.
All right, let me pull up Nas on a 15-minute chart. How we doing over there, Sunshine?
I'm looking at it. I just pulled up my 3 fingers. I'm trying to figure this out. What you mean? I'm trying to figure this out. Okay, so what we looking at now?
You're going to see
it. The DeLorean EMA.
Yeah, the DeLorean EMA.
Yeah, and if you don't have to keep doing it if you just duplicate. If you duplicate the one you already did everything on, just duplicate it and change the name.
Okay.
Okay, so what chart am I looking at on
15-minute NAS?
15-minute NAS. All right, I don't see no fingers.
Yeah, they look like they all together.
Like they look like they coming together making a pi symbol.
They look like this.
That's weird.
Oh, hold on, I'm on gold. Let me go to NAS. Okay, you had Wanda. Look at Wanda's chart. NAS.
Yeah, I'm on. What time frame you want me to go to?
15 minutes.
I am on a 15-minute. You can't see my screen.
Yeah, but your EMA looks totally different from mine.
I did. Is that what I put? DeLorean EMA. DeLorean EMA.
It should be 513 50 200 800. Is that what you was asking?
513 50 200 800. Yeah.
NAS. Wanda. 15 minutes.
Anybody else looking at it? Anybody else look different from mine? Let's go. I got gold taking a dive.
Like this.
Okay, this person, I'm sorry, I can't see your name. Those of you talking to me in Facebook world, you have to give StreamYard permission.
Man, even your candles look different.
Gold turned around for the buy.
Gold ready to buy. Let's look.
Not ready to buy, but
yeah,
she turned
watch
around.
that. Watch that 2 candle, okay? This is what a lot of them do. Watch this, y'all.
Yeah.
They'll make 2 candles. Wait for the 3rd candle to know if it's real. The 2nd candle, that 3rd candle is a hook to sell again. Look at most of your movement on that 1 minute chart. You'll see it with time and time again. It'll do a 2 candle buy up, a fake out.
Is that the other thing you taught me? Is that break, retest, then the break?
Yes, break and retest.
It's already hooking.
Hey, Kim. Hey, I'm leaving. Get up.
All right.
I'm lost.
Those of you in our wonderful Facebook world, this is the morning bell. We have so many strategies. It's ridiculous, isn't it? But I think I'm liking this one a lot. Okay, guys, so let's play.
I'm gonna love this one. I'm
gonna love it. It looks like it so far, but that middle one is the 50, ain't it? Or is it the 200?
The 50 is like a mint green like color.
Okay.
The 200 is gray, and the 800 is blue.
Okay. Well, I definitely knew what the 800 and 200 was.
Anytime you have questions, go to the settings on DeLorean, and then go to inputs, look at the numbers, and then go to style to see what colors match the number.
All right. So tell us what you were saying about these candles right quick.
Hello.
All right. Let me see where we at. Oh, so this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a real buy. Okay, that's a real buy. What happens is you got the 2 candle buy up, fake out. Right? The 2 candle buy up, fake out. If that 3rd candle is a sell candle, just wait. Let the 4th candle form and the 5th candle form, and then you'll see the actual direction of travel. Because right now this is riding beneath the 50. Where we at? 49. So right now this is riding at 38. So it's riding beneath the 50. So it's a possibility that this will just buy up enough to hit the 50 and then come back down for a sale. Why? Because on Kim's higher time frame, she already saw the move for the sale,
Mm-hmm.
right? This is just a fake out.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so don't believe this hype on this buy.
Right.
Unless she's really going to buy up this candle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the one she's forming now. If that candle turns out to be a real buy candle, then yes, she's buying.
Mm-hmm.
But no, she's already made the 3-finger move. When she does the 3 fingers, now remember I told you they come together after the 3 fingers, they start to come together.
But I'm noticing I got 5 fingers here.
I don't pay attention to the red and yellow unless I'm doing high frequency.
Gotcha.
High frequency, the red and yellow matter. Why? Because it matters on both, but it really matters on HFX because it matters how if you watch what's my man name that teaches DeLorean? Tyrone.
Mm-hmm.
Watch Tyrone talk about strategy. And when the yellow goes through a red,
Yeah.
I mean, if it's going to buy and sell, he talks about that strategy. I'm not going to talk about that's his thing. But watch the red and yellow strictly for, I pay attention to those MAs, which is the 5 and the 13. I really watch those cross, right? You know, I talked about when the cross, when the buy and sell. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? You see that sucker hooking for sale again, right?
Yeah, well, come on down. Do the
because that's called the break and retest. That's the break and retest.
So this is what's interesting, and I do want to talk more about this break and retest. Oh my gosh, my brain freezes. Sorry.
It's good. It's
the break and the retest. Okay, I took the red and the yellow off. Okay, so tell them, how do they know when to enter this trade and when to exit? I like how Kim was able to immediately look at that 800 and get her TP, right? Yep. So when do they know when to get in, right? If we were to take it back over here, you know, when it started with our 2 flat tops, you know, that's what I'm interested in getting in.
Kim, you want to take that?
Yes. I mean, I'm speaking for you, Kim. I would like for you to tell.
I'm confident that you know that. I'm confident that you know that.
So when Chef dropped in the chat that it's making the 3 fingers, I just started to put my lines where the EMAs are and take it from one line to the next. Just like on colors, you know, one level to the next, it's gonna go. So
I have a question. When this was up here with these 2 flat tops, could you see the 3 fingers? What y'all think? Do you think it was formed? Yeah.
Yeah, you saw the 3 fingers because the 3 fingers have to make an expansion. Okay, they expand first. Right? You'll see them pulling apart. You'll see
okay. So that's what you want. Okay, show me your 3 fingers again. When you do with your finger, okay.
Right? Because it does. That's how it looks. If you go that same one on the 1-minute chart, if you slide it to the right so you can see the left stuff, you'll see them all kind of close together. So slide your
Is it making sense, Sunshine? I'm looking at your face and you looking like, what the hell are y'all talking about?
I'm gonna show you. I want you to go back to perfect. Go back to 24 August 21 at 9:32 on the 1-minute chart.
You want who to do that?
You.
Chef, I'm not as swift as I used to be. You got to give me a little time.
But you're going to see where they come together like this.
You said the 24th of August?
Just slide to the right, boo.
Thanks. You get that works.
Right there. Right there, the green doji. Right there where the green doji is. There.
This one?
Left.
Yeah.
Left, green doji.
Yeah.
Red, pass all the red. Bam. Right there, right around there. Right? Now, look at how tight they are. All the 3, the EMAs are together. So it's crossing through the EMAs. Now, keep going to the right and watch how they spread apart.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
Now they spreading apart.
You see that? I can see it. I needed to change these colors though, right quick, y'all. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay. So what's the 3 colors we're supposed to be looking for?
Well, they're already
there.
They're already there. You can change them like Dr. LA is doing, but they're already there, which is like some mint green looking color, gray and blue.
The mint you just do what worked best for your eyes. This just helped me to see better.
Okay. So spread that on down.
So let's do that one more time. Let's go back to where the market is basically in consolidation. This right here is a good little area
Right there,
too.
perfect, man. That's actually perfect. What is that?
Consolidate, and then it begins to spread. I have a question. So what does anything specifically indicate this is a sell or indicate this is a buy?
Well, yeah, we're looking at, so it's riding the, remember how we talk about how it rides, right? It rides the 50.
Right.
Okay, so it stayed above. If you look at your EMA, it stayed above the 50, and it stayed above the 50 on the chart.
Yeah.
So on the RSI, it's above the 50. On your chart, it's above the 50.
Yeah.
Right? It wasn't until it dipped below the 50 was the real dip. So now my 50, 200, 800 are spreading apart. I got my first dip down to the 200, which dropped below the 50.
Mm-hmm.
Right? That was the first move below the 50.
Mm-hmm.
After that, rode and we went high above the 50. I went down 800. The real move is when they spread apart real wide, and that's what I call my three fingers. Yeah, that's my three finger move. That's okay. That's a light. You know, that's like, okay, it might come back to those three fingers, but it's definitely going to come back when they spread wide. Like, just count on a move when they spread so wide, and that's every single time, top and bottom.
That's what I was about to say. Yeah, that's exactly what I was getting ready to say. It looks like when it spreads very wide, it's going to shoot up and come down, like here where it made the crown. Yeah.
Yep, it does that. So I like the three fingers.
Well, you have made here. Goodness gracious. Yes, Lord.
Now, if you go to...
it looks like it's going to make a backwards crown right now.
Okay, so check this out. 4-hour chart, XAG, that's silver. 4-hour chart, silver. Those are the 4-hour chart on silver. And I want you to see the reverse.
All right. 4-hour chart. Guys, we have so many ways that you can win. How we doing out there on NAS? How we doing on US 30? Any of our TPs hit yet?
I'm sitting here trying to watch this, man.
You said 4-hour chart and
Gold making a zone. It made a little zone between 104 and 105.
Okay.
Okay. Yarnell.
Yes.
So is this would this?
Ooh, that's a wide one right here.
Would this be the three fingers on EURUSD on the 5-minute chart?
All right, EURUSD.
And AUDJPY just hit.
AUDJPY, who hit?
5 minutes.
Oh, I see Malika. Facebook user. Malika is my name.
No.
The rest of you people, I can't see your name, so you're gonna have to say your name. Or guys, just click the link and give stream your permission. Or I'll go to I'll check out the stream. Gold is buying up where too though? Oh, look it. Yeah. Look like we went past the 50. Let's see if she want to push. Gold is playing in this zone. We've already said that. I mean, you can just ride gold from 02 to 06 back and forth.
It always closes it. Okay, that's pretty good. So yeah.
So was that not it, Yarnell?
It is. It didn't hit the blue, but that is it. That's three fingers all day long. Right? You see how it came down to that drop, and it still will hit that. It still will possibly hit that blue. But I like looking at it on the, when I'm trying to determine if it's going to come down to that three finger move. I do that from the 1-minute chart. I look at a large area first, which is cool, but the 1-minute chart tells me the real three finger move.
Okay. AUDJPY is still running. If you're looking
looks
at
like it's in a full buy to go to the three fingers for the buy off the 4-hour chart. See, but it's still going to buy and sell before it gets there. Because those EMAs are not going to switch. They're not going to change places, not on a higher time frame. On the lower time frame, they'll rotate, they'll move, and they'll maneuver. On a higher time frame, it's where it should be headed to. The 200, which is the 1618 right now on the 4-hour chart, right? And that's my magnet. When I use the auto fib, the 1618 is my magnet. That's when I'm looking like, that's the next move. That's the next high move. Okay, got it. But I also parallel that with the RSI to make sure that that's where it's going right then and there. Not that I got to wait and it dropped below for sale. I could have got in at a lower entry, that whole thing.
I get it.
You get it?
Yeah.
Three fingers, man.
I get it. I want to go play with it, and then I'm big on patterns, so I can study the pattern and see what it's doing. Okay, Bitcoin is dropping, ladies and gentlemen. Let's let it go ahead and drop some more, baby. Drop some more, and then buy it. Okay, drop some more because it shoots up Friday to Saturday, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's the time to go shopping. When you get paid on Friday, do a little, shopping over there, and then let them run up. Huh?
It ain't gonna drop too much longer. Hit the 1618, and they got three fingers forming on the top on the 1 minute chart.
Who we talking about? Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. So it should.
What chart you looking at?
1 minute right now. 15 minute looks beautiful.
I'm just talking about the pullback for the week. It pulls back during the week, and then it shoots up on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and it pulls back again.
Yeah.
During the week. So I'm just saying, you want to wait and get some more.
It definitely hit that 1618.
Where are we on US 30?
US 30 is buy. Listen, I gave you the drop. US 30.
But did it hit our TP for that buy? That's what I said.
It's on its way.
Okay, so they just tap dancing. It's okay, guys.
So I'm gonna give a pass-through zone on the US 30 in that area.
All right, AUDJPY, talk to us in Facebook world. Have y'all hit on AUDJPY?
Definitely.
Guys, we got about 5 more minutes before we move to our after party.
It's finna go. US 30 finna blow. We're finna hit that.
You can continue to buy. You can continue to buy on AUDJPY for at least another 10.
All right, those of you who are buying up on AUDJPY,
I want that.
Somebody laughing. They talking about Pip Master back to August 25th. I don't know what year he was talking about. Okay, so that's with him. You guys, he could be like 2016.
Jeez,
and I'm like, my brain is not about to go no 2016. You have to give me a little bit more time. All right, look at this though. My fingers are coming in. Yeah, so my fingers are getting ready to come in. That means that I'm getting ready to change directions. Yeah. All right, go ahead and turn around. But all I ever see is the 50 because the 50 just doesn't lie to me. She tells me the truth. I ride the 50 up and down all day because I don't like to look at stuff on my chart. I like blank charts. Give me a blank chart F50 and some Hackenacci candle. Niggas are doing the same thing, but what I do like with the 3 fingers is it's giving you your TPs. Now I don't know if anybody caught that.
Yep.
But it's giving you your TPs, boo-boo.
And guess what? I like that you said that because guess what rarely happens? TP what?
3.
Boom. So it's not always going to hit the blue line, which is the 800. That's why I was trying to lay the sunshine. Yes, you were absolutely correct. Notice it went through the 50 and the 200 on that EU on the EU. It did not hit the blue line. So if you did TP1, TP2 in the middle of TP2 to TP3, you made the money. But if you tried to take it to TP3, you got stuck in that trade. You know what I'm saying? So that's the one you monitor, set, and then do a stop loss and profit. TP1, TP2, I'm riding. I ain't gonna even blink. TP1, TP2, I'm riding because that gray, that daggone 200, that thing is gonna hit on a regular basis.
And it also gives you your zone, like if you look at it. And that's why I say I like to study it because then I can see the pattern, right? I can clearly see right now, here's the zone right in here. Here's the zone right in here. Saves me some time and effort, okay? Numbers are already attached. Great. Yeah, I can see here. Ooh, baby want to push all the way past through here. Go, go, go. Yes, but this is my consolidation zone, right? I like this, guys. We'll continue to share information on this, all right? Let's hit us with the hot topic for the day. Let's go there. What we got for hot topics?
So I am so in love with the story of XRP. We've gone through scandal with XRP in the past couple of months or the past year. And now experts are saying that XRP is going to get a little disruptive and increase by 2,300%. Okay. Back in 2017, it already did a 1,000% jump. And right now it's trending exactly the same way. So they're saying it could go anywhere between 20 and 30 bucks, not cents, 20 and $30.
Yeah, but everybody ain't even open up for you to buy XRP again, eh?
Yeah, that's what it, like, but if you still got it, you still got it.
Where you bought it at? You guys are holding it on Binance?
I have it on Coinbase and I have it on.
But you can't buy. Like, where can you actively
no, you can't
buy?
buy it. Yeah, you can't buy it.
I mean, I still got my Coinbase one, but I'm like, people who listening to what you're saying, they want to go buy some XRP, right?
Right. No. Is it DH Gate or IO Gate? What's the gate? Gate.io.
Oh, you guys told me y'all had a lot of problems with that. Y'all didn't like that one. I got
it's annoying. It was annoying.
That's my issue. I don't know where to buy it. I have Kraken. I have Crypto.com. I have the other one, Coinbase. I can't buy it on either platform.
What's the other one?
Coinbase. Yeah, you can buy it on Gate.io, but Gate.io is a special place.
Who?
Uphold.
Uphold. I think you can.
I think, didn't we open up an account on Uphold? I don't remember.
Yeah, you got us on Uphold.
To get XRP, actually, yeah. I think it's
all right. Well, go get your XRP if you choose. We're not telling you, but go ahead. Okay, go ahead. Finish up.
And that's it. That's all. I'm hot about that. I mean, and then also Bitcoin, because I know you were talking about it a little bit earlier. UK's division of PayPal has now finally adopted Bitcoin purchases, sales, and they have not XRP. They have Ethereum, Bitcoin, and I think Litecoin on their PayPal. And that is when they did that right when Bitcoin took that shoot up earlier this week.
Okay.
So that could
I was reading yesterday. Go ahead.
Oh yeah, I was about to say that could very well mean more good things for Bitcoin, even though it's going to do a little pullback.
Gotcha. I was reading yesterday about the mortgage lenders are now accepting Bitcoin.
Yes.
So I think that is really, really, really important. And the direction that it's going in. So many people are asleep, but it's okay with me because I know where I'm waking up at the bank. It's a beautiful thing. All right. Get your coins though. That's the point. Get your coins. All right. So US 30, we're looking for US 30 continue to buy up. What we're looking for NASDAQ keep doing, Sunshine?
We're waiting on this buy. She's playing on the 15-minute 50 right now. She's bouncing between there. So if you're not already in a trade and holding and waiting, then you can watch where she's bouncing at and catch your 10 in between there. But if you're waiting on the buy still, like me, she's playing with the 50. So,
and also note that the housing report is dropping in 1 minute.
How do you think that's going to affect the market? Where's Booby? Taking a nap?
What's the folder color on that?
Yeah, what's the folder? Oh, there you go. Wait. Let me add him to the stream. Hold you backstage, my brother.
It's supposed to be higher. Housing report's supposed to be higher than it was, or continuing its growth pattern.
Is that going to help our pockets go higher, though? You got gold doing what?
The good thing about us, it help our pocket if it
making another zone, 1807 and 1806.
1807, 1806 on gold. All right, very good. All right, so housing report is dropping in 1 minute, but Pip Master said, do we have a folder?
It's not a red folder, no.
It's not a red folder.
Is it orange?
Master.
Is it orange, Ron?
They're watching it. Bloomberg and MSNBC, all of them talk about it, so it's some kind of impact.
Okay. Was it an orange folder?
Actually, no. Let me check, make sure. No.
Yeah, let's have a quick look. All right, guys. Well, we have that actually is our time, our last minute. We will be with you on Thursday, so check us out Tuesday and Thursday morning, Wednesday and Friday. He said no. What hit?
1806 just hit.
1806 hit. All right. Wednesday and Fridays is private for high frequency. I do think when we come back on Thursday, we're going to go over these fingers again. I want people to be able to use that strategy and know where to get in. Oh, and then a chef even created a symbol for you all to practice. Maybe you could drop your pictures. Guys, discipline. I cannot thank these people enough for holding everything down, for being consistent, for having sessions, and not just doing all that, for continuing to learn. Man, you guys are like incredible. I love you all in real life, and I just thank you for being you. You are the most incredible community that I've ever been able to be a part of. So, Pip Master, I can't talk about him. He'll make me teary eyed. But thank you. I love you in real life. Sunshine, I love you in real life. I'm so proud of her growth and just continuing to grow and to share her knowledge. I love that smart mouth Dr. Booby Polite in real life. Thank you for making sure we got the news and waking up all around the world. Thank you, Kim, for sending me my hearts. And Kim, thank you for not quitting. Thank you for not giving up. Thank you for just, absorbing this knowledge. I come back and you just a young whippersnapper out there calling the charts, telling me where to get in the damn trade. Baby, it's a beautiful thing.
Loving it.
1807 just hit.
And then even while I'm talking, your trade's still hitting. I love it.
The 410 hit. 400 hit. Let's go with it.
Brother Isaiah, you're going to have to watch us on YouTube. That's my brother. And y'all not have to get that man a tongue lashing, but y'all be trying to act like I'm hard on Isaiah. It ain't no reason in the world, my brother, why you can't click on a link and join the stream. That does not require a password. But today, I'm going to let you slide, and I'm pretty sure we'll see his butt in the Zoom. Y'all know Shaniqua is my sister and holds me down in every aspect of my life. We've been through a lot together, and I'm just grateful for you, for loving me. I can't talk about her because she'll make me teary-eyed.
Yep.
But I got to tell you guys publicly, thank you. I see my girl Malika is out there. I'm sure Dana and the rest of our world is out there. So I'm just grateful for you guys holding everybody down and everybody just doing what we need to do to make this community run. Yeah. And discipline. And discipline some more.
He said discipline.
More. It's worth it.
And ain't no crying on the Breakfast Club.
Let me tell you something. When I first got sick, I was like, oh, okay, cool. I could trade. For my body went paralyzed, but I was trained and I was hitting on my trade in the hospital bed. Exactly. How about that?
Hey.
Now, how many of you can do that? All right. Now, and I'm telling you, it's not intelligence, it's discipline. Yeah, discipline. All right, guys, we love y'all. We're heading to the private Zoom. Let's go.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Chef DZ.